Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable CAPTCHA on a Rails app for local UX development, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Rails application in your preferred code editor. Locate the environment configuration files in the config/environments directory. For local development, open the development.rb file. Search within the file for the section that includes settings for action dispatch or middleware. You need to modify or comment out the line that includes CAPTCHA verification. If you are using a specific CAPTCHA gem, like reCAPTCHA, find the initializer file, typically located in config/initializers. Open the relevant initializer, which might be named something like reCAPTCHA.rb. Inside this file, look for conditions that determine when to enable CAPTCHA. Change these conditions to skip CAPTCHA in the development environment. Alternatively, you can set an environment variable to disable CAPTCHA during local development. Now, navigate to your controller that handles forms requiring CAPTCHA. Add a conditional check to bypass CAPTCHA verification when in the development environment. Use rails.env.development in your if statement for this check. Test your changes by running the Rails server again. Access your application in the browser. Submit a form that previously required CAPTCHA. Verify that the CAPTCHA prompt no longer appears. This adjustment will streamline your local UX development. This ensures your application remains secure in production environments. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled CAPTCHA for local development in your Rails app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.